Hey Emily, Blake here. So today I'm going to do the first step in programming with you, and that is to teach you how to program the system to perform group pickups and directed pickups. Group pickups are when you put all of your handsets in one group and then you use the group pickup feature to pick up any of the handsets that are ringing in that group. The directed pickup feature, obviously, is when you select an extension to pick up when you know what phone is ringing. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and then switch over to the back camera so that I can show you how the system is programmed. Okay, so here in front of me I have an M7324, and I also have a couple of other telephones that I'm guessing that you might be using with your system. I'm going to program from this set here just because I'm most familiar with this particular phone. However, programming from an M7310 like you have is exactly the same. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So you're going to go into system programming. You're going to hit features ** 266344, password 266344. Okay, and then you'll see over here, or right here on your system, these keys will light up. Basically, this one here is the next key. This is the back key. This is enter, and this is escape. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go next until you get to general administration. Then you'll push enter. Then we're going to go over here to capabilities. You're going to press enter. And then we're going to go over to set abilities. You're going to press enter. And then you're going to show set. So show set means that whatever phone you want to program is what you're going to enter here. So on my system, this particular phone is extension 221. This one is 222. That one's 223, and that one's 224. This phone over here is just a test. It's on another system entirely. So what we're going to do is we're going to go set 221, and then we're going to go next until we get to pickup group here, where it says no, you want to change this to pickup group 1. Okay, and then you want to do the same thing for all of your other phones. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to show set. Now we're going to do the same thing for 222. Next, next, next. Pickup group 1. Okay, then once you've done that for all of the phones that you want to be in the pickup group, you're going to go ahead and push release. I'll tell you end of session, and then down here it's going to tell you update. That means the system is actually making the programming change in the background. So you'll wait until it says update complete, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how this works. So you can either do a group pickup, which is I'm going to show you first, or you can do a directed pickup. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to call into the system.
Using the dial pad, please enter the extension you wish to call. To use the directory, one moment please.
Okay, so now this phone's ringing. You see the caller ID there, and it's ringing in on the intercom key, which is kind of why I was confused about why your system runs on line 1, 2, and 3, but we're going to get to that in another video. So it's ringing, and we want to pick it up, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a feature 7.5. And now you see that you picked up that line from that other phone over there. You can also do the same thing if you know which phone is ringing. So we'll go ahead and do this again, and I'll show you what a directed pickup is.
Using the dial pad, please enter the... One moment, please.
Okay, so again, this phone is ringing, and let's say you're in the office and you know exactly which phone is ringing, and you want to pick up that phone exactly and maybe not any other phone that might also be ringing. You can do a feature 7.6, and it will ask you, which phone do you want to pick up? In this case, we want to pick up 222. So then it says 222. So there you go. That should be all taken care of. This will be the first in a bunch of set of videos that I'll make for you on, how to do different maintenance tasks on this system, but I figured it would be easier for you to see it than for me to write it out for you. So once you get that taken care of, we'll move on to the next step, and that is getting you caller ID. You can see over there I've got the modular ICS and the StarTalk. And that little gray box there is the fast rad, which I'm going to have you buy. And that is what we will use your Windows XP machine to back the system up. Now, when you back the system up, you don't back up voicemail. You just back up the programming in the modular ICS there. But that could potentially save you a lot of headache if something happens to the system. Then you don't have to, reprogram it from scratch. You can just load the backup in and be on your way. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, obviously, just give me a call or send me another email and we will work through it. But like I said, this is just the first video, but we will make more of them. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.